Hi friends, and welcome back to Mama Elephant's February release. Today I'm introducing the new stamp set called Deliver Spring Happiness. There are 7 fun spring-themed images in this set, as well as a sentiment. And of course it comes with matching dies. The second set I'm showing you today is the plain circle frames. There are 7 frame dies in this set and they coordinate perfectly with other Mama Elephant products. And before we start making the card, don't forget to leave a comment below for a chance to win a prize. And this is what the images in Deliver Spring Happiness look like when they are stamped out and colored in. I use similar colors for the flower images, for the paint images, as well as for the Easter images. And this image I'm using in my video tomorrow. And in this video I'm showing you an example of how to color the flowers. And that finishes the coloring. These are the sets I will be using to make my card. I have Deliver Spring Happiness, Lucky Friend, Plain Circle Frames, and Combo Circles. I started by making a background from the Combo Circle set in Kraft Cardstock. I used the cutout from the Plain Circle Frames to make a card base for my card. The panel for the front of my card is from Combo Circles. I used some stencils to ink blend a sky and a ground, and I pop it up using some foam tape. To finish the panel, I stamped the You're 1 in a Million sentiment from the Lucky Friend sentiment set. I used the Plain Circle Frames to cut out a frame from gold cardstock, adhering it with some liquid glue. Lastly, I'm adhering my images from Deliver Spring Happiness, popping them up with some foam tape. And that finishes my card for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you tomorrow for more introductions. Bye!